Good morning, guys. I am now going to just finish off my Milo, and we are gonna go to Early Beach. So it's my day off, Dad's day off as well, and we're gonna go to Early Beach today to do some shopping and just have a look around, just get off the island. So yeah, we have to get on the boat at 7:30. So I think it's about 6:45. So we're gonna go head down there now soon. But yeah, I miss you guys. I haven't vlogged or anything in a while. Been too busy. But let's go. And also my makeup is not good today because I can't be bothered. I guess the island life. It's too hot, too humid. I just popped on eyeshadow. I didn't even blend it properly. Lipstick on, a bit of blush, and yeah. Keeping it simple. So yeah, we're just walking now. Just walking to the boat. Yes, we live on an island, meaning to get out of here you have to freaking either go by plane or go by boat. So yeah, we're gonna catch the 7:30 boat that will take us to Early, and will pick us up in the afternoon at around 4 o'clock. So pretty much I'm gonna be spending the whole day there. So yeah, we're just waiting. So far we're the only one here because Dad wanted to leave so early, and now we gotta wait like 20 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna ride one of those boats probably. But yeah, this is the island. Dad's just like taking selfies right there. Hey Dad, say hi. Yeah, he's just taking selfies. And I'm just waiting still. So we're on the boat now and we're sitting at the top section, so we're allowed to sit at the top. And yeah, nice and windy. Nice day though, but it's perfect I guess. Not too hot, there's a little bit of sun. And yeah, so yeah, we're off to Early Beach finally. So sleepy.
So basically can't wait today. Looks like we have a 10-15 knot easterly wind at the moment. So it shouldn't be too bumpy if we're going to be going with that. See if you're going to move around the boat. Stopped at Port Early and it's just right there. It says welcome to the Port of Early. But pretty much I don't think there's anything really here. You're gonna catch like a bus or a train to get to the other side. Not a bus, not a train. You have to catch a bus or something to get to like the shopping centers and stuff. So I don't know what the hell we're gonna be doing. But yeah, it says there, welcome to Port of Early. So Dad and I are having breakfast, and I ordered an eggs Benedict, and Dad got like a massive omelette and toast. So this is like the tourist spot of AIRLIE Beach. So yeah, it's just like a strip, kind of like Surfers Paradise, but only a lot quieter, more local. So yeah, this is AIRLIE Beach. We are here in AIRLIE Beach. We are just chilling right now, and the beach is right there. So this is all our groceries. We have packed them in these Enviro bags, and we are going to go home soon. Well, another, I think 4 o'clock the boat comes. But yeah, this is AIRLIE Beach, and that's the island right there. I think right there, that's where we live. I'm pretty sure it's Hayman. So yeah, we're just gonna go on the ferry ride again, another 1 hour ferry trip going back to the island at 4 o'clock. So yeah, that's how you do your groceries. You have to get on a boat and go here and do your groceries and take it back with you in environmental bags, or you can bring a luggage, but Dad and I didn't bring a luggage. So yeah, this is our first time here at AIRLIE Beach. I don't think I will probably like do shopping. It's too heavy to carry around. I'll probably just do some online shopping or something, but Dad's just up there somewhere. This is the port of AIRLIE, and it just looks like that. And we're just going to walk around to get to the other side where our boat will be later on. But yeah, very pretty. Heading back to the terminal, which is just there. Yeah, it is, I think, what's the time? 8 o'clock? Yeah. 8 o'clock, and we're just chilling here. Kendrick is here, so he's one of my workmates. Say hi, Ken.
Yo, what's up?
We had sinigang, so I made sinigang, and I traded it for 2 onions. So yeah, Kendrick is just chilling here before he goes back to his side of the village. Off to work. These are all like the staff villages right here, and it's about a 20-minute walk to get to work. So yes, my daily exercise every morning and afternoon. It's a nice day today. Nice day, very hot actually. But yeah, this is going to go down the hill. Walking down here is okay. Walking up here is like so annoying. Just the view walking to work.
But yeah, starfish can actually survive off their own legs. They'll start again. So when they tried to do max cull, they actually multiplied it ridiculously, just through lack of knowledge. Yeah, dude. Dude, I've actually got a friend of mine that works for marine parks. One of his jobs is they go out and they scout. They've got what they call a manta, basically a board that's towed under a vessel. And they go suss out where big colonies are, and then they go for the poison. The most effective way to kill them, they've got to inject them one by one. Because because they just are so resilient to everything that they've been doing. That's the most effective way to kill them without killing everything else. You've got just blooming right at the bottom there. That's some coral trout. Spots. Yeah, tasty fish.
Wow. That's true, AIRLIE good?
They're really good to catch. They're not that good to eat. Like, don't get me wrong, if I only catch you a giant trevally, I'll eat him. But generally, up here, if you catch anything else, they're better to eat. They're quite tough.
Yeah.
But yeah, they
But
are
I'm
so
good.
much fun to catch though,
Right.
and they don't nibble or anything, they hit it, or they leave it alone.
Yeah.